Nakapripriti district in Karamoja region lies in a vulnerable ecosystem. This region is facing is experiencing actually a lot of challenges. For example, degradation, and the effects of this degradation has brought flooding, soil erosion, deforestation, resulting from human activities like bush burning, charcoal burning, poor grazing and farming practices, and settlement patterns. This situation is having a negative impact on human and food security. The population of Peikar, New Line, Dodoketang Tome villages in Nakapripriti district was receptive to this project. They demonstrated this in a number of ways, which include the following. The very first community-based activity ACTED did on this project was sensitizing the community about ACTED and the project objectives, activities, and possible benefits to the community. Guided by the government officials of Nakapripriti district, the communities welcomed us, listened to us, and also accepted willingly to offer and work together with us, the staff of ACTED.
This project fits in many development interventions, both nationally and internationally. Within Uganda, the project supports the National Agricultural Development Plan that focuses on sustainable agriculture for food security and climate change. It also features in the Uganda Agriculture Sector Development Strategy and Investment Plan that emphasizes ecosystems, friendly agricultural practices. And this same strategy is being supported by a number of international bodies, including the UN systems, the European Union, and the like you can mention. So this project, it addresses a number of sustainable development goals, the SDGs, specifically the SDGs on food security, on gender equality, on the production and protection of the environment and natural resources. So you can already see the project really aimed at addressing a number of global issues in order to achieve equal opportunities for even the most vulnerable communities. So ACTED, through its REVIVE strategy, REVIVE simply means regenerative earthworks in vulnerable ecosystem. Through this strategy, ACTED was able to touch the lives of the most vulnerable communities in Karamoja. We operated in Nakapripriti district, focusing on the project target of 120 households, beneficiaries. We couldn't reach out the whole district, but at least we're able to build capacities of a few role model farmers and pastoralists to adopt the new ecological approach in agriculture. Merci beaucoup.